Hey, welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today let's discuss how to delete all posts on X after a certain time. So first of all, you have to understand that X doesn't support a built-in bulk delete button. Instead, you have to use third-party tools. So for example, it could be service like TweetDeleter, which I have on my screen, or you can use service TweetDelete. So the process here is pretty much simple. First of all, you have to sign in with your X account to the platform, and then you can choose some filters. So let's tap here, filter icon, and you can select which exactly tweets you want to delete. So tweet type, date, time of day, keywords, whatever, and then press apply button and basically confirm the bulk delete action. But keep in mind that those platforms are usually not free and you have to pay for unlimited or large-scale deletions. Yes, and another way, which is basically free, you can do it manually. So let me show you how to do it. You have to open your X and tap your profile picture in the top left, access your profile, and as you can see, your profile is divided into several sections. You have to go to posts and find specific post that you want to delete, and then tap three-dot button next to it, select function delete post, and of course confirm your decision by tapping delete button, and then confirm and then repeat it for every single post that you want to remove one by one. So those are the two ways how you can delete all your posts on X after a certain time. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.